Alright, good morning guys, YouTube people world, whoever, wherever. Welcome back to Half Fast 719. I am gonna take a break from this. I got a mess to clean up. All the wiring and stuff. I mean, I'm not gonna take a full break, but I am gonna take a break. I'm gonna do the wiring here. My tidy tail was supposed to show up today, and it's not. So the tidy tail is brake light, license plate light, and blinkers. And yeah, post office dropped the ball on that one. Or whatever happened. I don't know what happened. Anyway. And then I'll probably put those graphics on here. I don't know. I had a huge migraine last night. Like, it's not from working on the bike, but it was from the gas tank was over there leaking. So I think the whole garage was smelling like gas. Plus I'm using brake clean, parts cleaner, contact cleaner to clean the plastics before I do the graphics. And I think these parts might be coming today. Hopefully they're white and not orange. So that's why I'm not taking it off, because if they come orange, then obviously I'm not doing it. If they come white, I'll rip them out, stick the new ones in there. I gotta figure out what I'm doing here. Where does that come off? Or Sharpie. Might have to do Sharpie. Or mask it off, spray paint it black, and take some sanding paper and sand the layers. Or I can just spray paint it black completely. And it'll be like a, whatever that's called, faux something or other. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean up some tools. I gotta do laundry for work. I gotta clean up all this. I got more UFO Plus stickers and Tusk stickers than I know what to do with. I could probably build a barn with those stickers. Anyway. But yeah, I got a mess. Big old mess. I still have plastics and graphics that I gotta put on. And yeah, I'm just not, don't know if I'm gonna do them because I gotta use parts cleaner, contact cleaner. But I think my headlight's coming today. Headlight, the front disc guard's coming today, so that I can put these will go on. The disc guard and the headlight. And then I can put the mask on. I don't know where I put it. Over here. Oh, right here. So I could put the headlight when I get it. Throw that in here. Might have to do a little modification. Gotta take those rubber things out of this one. That air filter's trash. Anyway. Yep, got a lot to do. And talking about it isn't getting it done. I do want to try to figure out, I guess some people are putting this thing somewhere else. I I don't know where else you could put it. Maybe like right here or something, but the GPS is gonna go here. Yeah. Too much fun, guys. Anyway, then I gotta take all this apart again. Actually, I probably just need to pull the triple clamps off. No, I gotta take it apart. Bars have to come off so that this stabilizer can come off so that I can get to the nut down here. Whatever. Practice. Practice makes perfect. Graphics. I'm having little bulging problems here. I'll throw some heat on it. Right there. Alright, well, my Rocky Mountain for the box is out for delivery. Hopefully it's white. Tidy tail. Monday, probably. Nice CNC crap. Check it out. Looks dope. Slave cylinder guard protector. Oh wait, it doesn't fit. Because I don't know what bike it's for. Orange delete. Did some vinyl plastic paint. A little gritty, but I don't care as long as it ain't orange. Alright, so I got key. Key's gonna be in here. Blinkers work. Boop, boop, boop. Blinker works. And headlight. Oh yeah, works great. Oh jeez. What? And you can adjust it. Yahoo! It's just the light that's gonna be on it. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna see if I can't throw a sticker on there that says like Baja Design or something. But anyway, I'm gonna take this front wheel off. Oh, I got my guard. Hopefully this stupid thing fits. Cheap as heck, but it's the same quality as this one. But I had to do red because it was red, blue, or orange. Only 3 options for this bike. Other bikes, oh, by the way, this light is for a 23 and newer, and it does not fit. So, custom me, I had to, you see these holes, these 2 holes, there's 2 holes there, 2 holes there for these little brackets that are supposed to screw on. My headlight screws on from up here, and I had to cut the ears of the headlight of the carbon fiber. Yeah, it's real carbon fiber. 1,000,000 times better. That was fun. Had a bolt in here under a wire loom, and a bolt right there under about 3 main wire looms that I didn't want to take the tank off because I didn't want to take the side shrouds off. So I just wung it. Anyway, it's all on. Looks good. I like it. Hopefully the seat will stay down. Got my funnel web filter in there all oiled up. Oh yeah, got my wheel thing on there. Got the new spacer there. Got this new boy. Old trash. He had duct tape on it because it was cracked. Filter's good, brand new, but anyway. Yep, now I just need the lights. The light I ordered, wherever it's at, should be here Monday. But we'll see. We'll see if I go ride. Right now, go in the house. Try to watch some Supercross. Key, okay, everything's good. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I got wiring figured out. I got a new airbox. Got rid of the orange. Last video I said popsicle, but somehow it said ices and sugar. Anyway, just got to put this plastic on side shroud, but I'm waiting for my tidy tail, which is a blinker, stop, license plate. Anyway, we got everything installed. Oh man, I'm so glad I got rid of this orange. It was not fun. This was all, the air boot was all full of just nastiness. Blacked out this with some vinyl paint. I need to go in the house because, yeah, I need to cool down and I need to drink some water. But anyway, we got the Pro Circuit pipe on. This has been repacked. This is a Enduro Engineering spark arrestor, get ECU. This, the wiring's all done. I did install a key. My key's up here. Boop. Key's on. So it's always on. No headlight because I can't figure out how to wire it in mainly. But we got right blinker, the left blinker, horn, and then when you turn the key off, nothing works. And then I installed this nice CNC headlight. It's pretty cool. This is completely carbon fiber. It's got a bunch of billet trim pieces on the back. However, this did not fit. It's not for my year, my model. So just like the Baja Design one, I had to make it fit. I had to make it work. So what I ended up doing was this piece had these ears that stuck up like high, like this basically, but higher. So there's two little tabs on the back that you can see it. Those little tabs. Right. Man, I can't get anything near there. Anyway, those two little tabs right there, and those little aluminum blocks went in where those holes are. So I ended up just taking a grinder and cutting it flat here, because it went up just basically the same profile as this. But I ended up cutting it flat. I started off with cutting it round, and then ended up having to cut it flat. And then that screws in there, but the light itself is adjustable. So, which is kind of cool, which I wish Baja Design would have done. But anyway, so I don't know, I might get rid of this sticker or get rid of this. It's kind of etched in there. I think it's put in there and then clear coated, but this is real carbon fiber, so I had to wear a respirator. Anyway, now all I got to do is do my brake light, and yeah. Oh, I got to do this piece. This piece will be here Monday, so I got to put that piece on Monday. Put the tidy tail on Monday. It was supposed to be here today. This is supposed to be here 2 weeks ago, not like 3 or 4 days ago. And then wire in the rear light. I do have a brake light. I do have to figure out something. Maybe I'm gonna try something. I do have the harness up here for the front brake light, which would go basically in there somehow, some way. Yeah, I don't know how it goes, but it's $55 for the wiring. I might just order it because I can't seem to find it anywhere else. Only other ones I can find are kind of ghetto looking, and they're big. So, because I want to have front brake light, and then rear brake light. The rear does work. I did probe all these wires, tested everything. All of them do come on. I just want to put these bolts in real quick. So I don't forget where they go. But anyway, I'm really glad that I was able to get that in white. Oh, man. So what I ended up doing, getting it with white, is my buddy has a 2020 XC, not the XCW, and his color scheme is white. So I believe it. AB is white, EG or EB is orange. Where's the bag? So, oh yeah, AB. I'm not gonna have. Well, I guess I can have the whole part number right here for this airbag, airbox. 7910. Looks like 6001,000 AB. And then for this one, it is going to be 7916. Whatever you can pause it. 7916 7910600 1010 AB. That's the lower, and then this is the big box. So you need two pieces. So you need this piece that goes around the boot, and you need this piece which attaches to the fender and everything. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go in the house. I'm gonna watch some Supercross. I'm gonna go relax. Go throw some trash away. I might keep that bag for this filter. There's little screws I could probably use for something. This is the little 3D printed thingy. I did install that, not sure I mentioned it. This is from Nice CNC. Thankfully it has no Nice CNC logo on it. I got red because it was either red, blue, or orange, and I'm not doing orange. Blue would have been alright, but yeah, got a couple little red things. So anyway, guys, alright, I'm gonna get off here. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Later.